In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Klaviyo with Google Ads. Before we begin, make sure you can log into both platforms and that your Google account has the right permissions for the Google Ads account you want to connect. If you use pop-up blockers, consider disabling them for this setup, since the authorization window may open in a new tab. Start by opening your Klaviyo dashboard and signing in. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and scroll to the bottom. Find Integrations on the lower left panel and open it. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see all labels clearly. Inside the Integrations area, select Explore Apps. This takes you to Klaviyo's App Marketplace, where you can discover official connectors. In the search bar, type Google Ads. You should see the Google Ads integration appear as a result. If it doesn't show right away, double check your spelling and ensure you're in the Marketplace view, not just your installed integrations. Click the Google Ads result to open the app's detail page. Here, you'll see an overview of what the integration does, most commonly syncing Klaviyo lists and segments to Google Ads as customer match audiences, so you can retarget subscribers and lookalikes with more precision. It's helpful to review this page for any notes about permissions or data that will be shared. When you're ready, click Install. If your Klaviyo account has multiple workspaces or brands, confirm you're installing it to the correct one. Klaviyo will prepare the integration and then show you the settings page for Google Ads. On that page, click Connect to Google. A Google sign-in window may appear. Choose the Google account that has access to your Google Ads profile and grant the requested permissions so Klaviyo can sync audiences. If you manage multiple Google Ads accounts under a manager account, make sure you select the specific ad account you intend to use for audience syncing. Confirm the connection and wait a moment while Klaviyo links everything up. That's it for the connection. From here, Klaviyo will recognize the link and you'll be able to manage the integration from the same integrations area in your account. Your first audience sync can take some time, especially if you have large lists, so give it a little while before expecting to see audiences populating Google Ads. If you run into issues, recheck which Google account you authorized, verify you have the right permissions in Google Ads, and ensure no browser extensions are blocking the authorization flow. You've now integrated Klaviyo with Google Ads, setting the stage for smarter audience targeting and more efficient campaigns.